spin it. Two will go low and four, low and four. Track is cleared. Ooh, high four, high four. Marshall on the track, Marshall on the track. Track is clear. Driving through lap number 10, we've got Jim, Adam, Joe, TJ, Paul, and Kevin. And currently holds the fast lap at 3:8:13. High and three, high and three. Pull the car off, please. Pull the car off. Thank you. Track is clear. We've got Jim and Adam on the lead lap. Joe, TJ, 1 lap down. Paul, 2 laps down. Driving through lap number 25 out of 75. Jim and Adam remain on the lead lap. Everybody else is down one. Adam keeps turning the hot laps. He's consistently a tenth or 2 faster than Jim, but he's going to have to catch up. Oh, nice move! That was nice. Clean race, gentlemen. Good job. Paul working to win past TJ. Adam's coming up around the lap traffic though. Might be time for Jim to make his move. We're coming up on lap number 50. Running order is Adam, Jim, Joe, Paul, TJ. Paul's making his move on Joe. Woo! Nice pass. That brings Paul up to the 3rd position. Go low on the back, low on the back. Track is clear. Running order is Adam, Paul, Joe, TJ, and Jim. We've got 10 laps to go. 10 laps to go. Last couple laps, Paul's been slightly quicker than Adam. He's keeping up. I don't even know if he has enough time. There's only 5 laps to go. Three laps to go. 3 laps. White flag. And Adam comes around and take it. And everybody's done. Finishing order is Adam, Paul, Joe, TJ, Jim and Kevin.
Adam Radiske finished in first with 70